Hi everyone, I'm on the Holderness coast today. As you can see, there's lots of rocks down there. So yeah, let's get down there, see what we can find. Okay, so I've spotted this gold nodule in here. Looks decent. Let's give it a hit. See what's in there. No, nothing this time, but they can be good ones. They can have some lovely elegantissimus in there. So we'll keep an eye out for some more. Okay, here we go. This looks promising. A few marks on there. Yeah, and there we go. Definitely an ammonite just starting to poke out. So don't need to hit that one. We know there's one in there. I can go straight in the bag. Okay, so just got this back and having a closer look at it. You can definitely tell there's one ammonite there. It looks like there's another one there in the opposite direction, and potentially another one at this end going around there. So actually, it could be a bit of a multi-lot, that one. Here we go. A glyphia, or devil's toenail, as it's sometimes called. Not the prettiest one, but still nice to see. Well, this definitely looks like an ammonite. I think it's very crushed. You've got lots of lovely creatures in there. We'll give them a wash. Yep, it was one, but I don't think there's much left of that. So this caught my eye. I picked it up. You can see there's a big keel inside there, which I'm guessing would have been Androgynous. So I'm going to give it a few taps, just see if there's anything salvageable in there. If there is, I'll show you. Yeah, unfortunately it was too far gone. Not a lot of it left, but actually I think it was probably more likely a Prehistoric. Looking at that. Yeah, shame that wasn't all there. That would have been lovely. So we're fast running out of rocks this way, but I want to keep heading down here because I want to get to where the gold pockets are and have a quick look in there, because sometimes you can find some nice old coins in there. So I'm going to have a quick walk down there and yeah, see if I can spot anything. Oh, so I did find a gold pocket in the end. So this is what I mean by gold pockets. Basically the waves just end up washing all the heavier material together into a pile, which we call a pocket. And yeah, so you get all kinds of metal, including coins sometimes, and fool's gold, and all sorts. So yeah, always worth looking through. So I'm going to have a look through, see if there's anything interesting, and if there is, I'll show you. Well, I didn't find anything of any interest this time. Horseshoe there. But yeah, nothing of any interest. Looks like there's been some fresh cliff falls here, and a lot of boulders being washed out by the tide. So yeah, that's a good sign. Okay, so I've smashed this huge rock up, and actually you can see ammonite sticking out there. So I might give it a few more gentle taps, just see if I can free that out, because otherwise that's too big a rock to carry for such a small ammonite. Yeah, unfortunately that didn't quite go to plan. Breaking it all and the middle's come out. Shame, but that's how it happens sometimes. Here's a lovely bit of sea coral. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'll pop that in the bag, take that one home. Okay, interesting nodule. You can definitely see there was an ammonite there at some point. Ah, someone's already cracked it. Oh. Okay, so we've got a little cliff wall here in one of the boulders. Got a lovely keel sticking out. Now whether it's all going to be there or not, I don't know, but I mean that's a lovely keel. But yeah, I might get the chisel in there and have a look. Thank you, Matt, by the way, for the lend of the chisel. I will give it back to you when I see it. But right now it's coming very useful. Ah, no, what a shame. That would have been beautiful. Okay, well that's me done, back to the start. Not an awful lot out here today. Again, we just need some big storms or a lot of rain. But still nice getting out here on the coast. It's always so quiet and peaceful. And yeah, it's nice being able to walk without worrying about slipping over all the time, like up in the Whitby area. So yeah, if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll keep making some more, and hopefully next time we'll have a lot more finds. Catch you later.